Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change residential address in Exness. All right, let's begin. So in order to change your residential address in Exness, you have to follow these steps. First, sign into your Exness account or create one if you don't have it yet. Once logged in, click on the Settings option located at the bottom left corner of the screen. From there, open your profile section. If your account is not yet verified, you'll first need to complete the verification steps. This includes confirming your email and phone number, adding your personal details, verifying your identity, and finally verifying your residential address. However, if you've already verified your address and simply want to update or change it, the easiest way to do that is through the Support Hub. In the Support Hub, you can either start a live chat with an agent or open a support ticket. If the live chat option is available, click it and explain that you want to update your residential address. They'll guide you through the process. You can also call the support number listed there, or if you prefer, open a ticket by selecting a category like Account and Security, then choosing Other and describing your issue. Make sure to upload any proof of your new residential address, such as a utility bill or bank statement, to speed up the verification. After submitting, the Exness support team will review your request and update your residential address for you. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change residential address in Exness. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.